Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You've already signed in, so start by opening Gmail and going straight to All Mail. That view shows archived messages because Archive removes the inbox label, not the message. Once there, type the sender or a unique phrase into the search box to narrow results because scanning the entire list is slow. Make sure you're in the right account and include attachments or dates if needed. This gets you to the exact archived item quickly and avoids digging through unrelated mail. Once you've found the archived message, select it. On web, use the checkbox. On mobile, long press the message. Then choose Move to Inbox to restore it. That re-adds the inbox label so the message appears normally. Alternatively, use labels to file it somewhere meaningful if you don't want it in inbox. If you have many messages, create a filter, criteria, right arrow, apply label or never send to spam, and run it to process them in bulk. This keeps recovered mail organized and prevents repeat archiving. After moving messages, confirm they show in inbox and any labels you applied. Open one to ensure content and attachments are intact. Once done, set a filter for that sender or subject so future mail lands where you expect and isn't auto-archived by accident. If you can't find the item, make sure you searched all mail, then check trash and spam and confirm you're in the right account. If using IMAP Sync, make sure your client hasn't removed or archived mail on the server. Key tip: check trash immediately if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.